Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
So on your screen, if you see this little symbol up here in the corner, that's telling you that one of your doors is stuck open. So one of the doors didn't get shut, or one of the doors is having an issue. So if you see that symbol, one of the doors is stuck open or didn't get shut all the way. So try to shut all the doors to get that symbol to go away. You'll also hear an alarm that will sound like this. So you'll see this little alarm pop up on the screen to tell you door is open, door's been open for too long. That will come up after 5 minutes of a door being open. If you hit OK and you don't close the door, it'll keep popping up every 2 minutes to let you know that a door is open, as long as that symbol's there. As soon as you shut the door, that symbol will go away and you won't have the alarm anymore.